Look, children, here is the circus ringmaster. He is just one person. Can you say one?
One.
Now we see two clowns making us laugh. Let's say two.
Two.
Wow, three acrobats are flipping in the air. Repeat after me. Three.
Three.
Look at the lions. There are 4 lions sitting on stools. Say 4.
4.
Amazing! 5 jugglers are throwing rings high in the air. Can you say 5?
5.
Look carefully. 6 dancers are moving in a circle. Say it with me. 6.
6.
Beautiful horses are here. Count them. 7 horses. Let's say 7.
7.
Ha! 8 funny monkeys are swinging on ropes. Repeat. 8.
8.
Wow! 9 elephants are standing together. Can you say 9?
9.
The circus ends with a big surprise. 10 fireworks in the sky. Say 10.
10.